So this is where I was a few days ago. Before framing, I've been doing a lot of trenching. Trenching for power to my shop, to the septic system, and the like. This conduit I've run for power is not beautiful, but it'll do the job. Hauled about 100 feet of perf pipe in the car. I'm getting this ready for a French drain. My 1.5-inch drain rock showed up. Currently, I have a 5-gallon bucket and a spade at my disposal. For me, it's no worries. Since I have time, I just slowly go at it. Get my exercise on the property. So it's the following day and I've got most of the rock moved how I want it. The weather's really been in and out, sun and rain. Every day it just changes quick. More digging for a temporary power pole. What I'm finding this go round with home building is that there's a lot of odds and ends that a homeowner can do to save money. And at a time like this, that's a good thing. Plus, I just like fooling around in the soil, and that's something that you never get a chance to do when you're living in Taipei City. So I got the pole in, and the electrician put the meter base on. Had breakfast at a local family restaurant, and the lounge name made me feel at home. Looking at Tongs calms my nerves. The floor framing material has arrived. We start framing tomorrow, and so I want to get all this soil out of the way and the staging area nice so that we can work smoothly. I do a lot of damage with my 5-gallon bucket and spade, but it's time for an upgrade. I got an old wheelbarrow that needed a tire, so I picked up a new tire, disassembled the wheelbarrow so I could fit it in the car, part in the trunk, part in the back seat, drove it up. It's an hour and a half from where I'm staying to my property, and reassembled it in about 10 minutes, no problem. I was able to quickly fill in spots to make a nice working surface for when we start framing. I also made sure to clean up the crawl space. Just give it a good raking, even it out, get rid of any rocks and gravel. And this pile of soil in front, it's already gone. Yeah. That granola bar. Good. The next day, we got rolling right along. I made this claw hammer that I'm using a few months back, and I did post a video of that. It's working like a champ. My builder reckons I'm saving a lot by working with his crew. After the first day, I can definitely see that. After one 8-hour day, the floor framing is done. We've got a lot more fooling around to do.